Hello everyone and welcome to our morning math number 132. Start off by putting your first and last name in the box, and then let's check out. We have our division, writing an expression, which is a math problem, measurement, fractions, distributive property, and our challenge problem. Starting off with 28 divided by 4. Next we have 32 divided by 8. Next we have 56 divided by 7. And then 33 divided by 11. If you need the notes, pause the video. We're moving down. 64 divided by 8. 27 divided by 9. 21 divided by 3. 45 divided by 9. And if you need the notes, pause the video. We're moving down. Write an expression for each. 5 more than 2 times 3. So first it says 5 more. Well, 5 more means that you're going to add after, because it's like I give you 5, I give you 5 more means that I'm going to give it to you later. So we're going to start with 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 3. That's what we're beginning with. And then what are we doing to it? We're going to give 5 more. So we're giving 5 more. Next, it says, write an expression for 8 less than 15. Well, you wouldn't say 8 minus 15 because that would be impossible unless if you were going to negative numbers. You're saying 15 minus 8. So we're doing 15 minus 8 because we're doing 8 less than 15. Next, it says, what is the total capacity? How much can 6 jugs hold? So it says 6 jugs holds 18 liters. So if we have 6 jugs and the total is 18 liters, that means that we're going to be finding equal parts. And if we're doing equal parts, what are we going to do to find each jar? Well, we're not going to multiply because that would give us a bigger number. We don't want a bigger number. We already have the total. Since we already have the total, we have to divide 18 divided by 6. Put your answer here in the box. But don't forget, it's liters. Once you finish with that, move on down. What does this fraction show? 1/4. Which one is 1 out of 4? This is 1/3. Here we have 2 out of 5. Here we have 1 out of 4. And here we have 3 out of 4. So which one shows 1/4? Move on down. Which one shows 3/4? We just went through these. Which one shows 3/4? Next, which symbol makes the sentence correct? 1/4 compared to 3/4. So we have boom, doom, doom. This one says 1/4. This one's 3/4. So 1/4 versus 3/4. Which one is bigger? Look at which one you put in here. Pick the correct one. And let's move on down. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate number sentence. 12 times 8. So if we're going to break this down, the 12 has to get broken down. They broke it down to a 10, and then what would you put over here? So once you broke that down, it would be a 2. So now you have the 8 going over, again, because that's distributive, and we broke down the 2. So we'd be adding a 2 times 8. Find it over here, and then move on down. And the last problem that we have is there are 16 guests at a party. So the total equals 16. They need to be in equal groups to play a game. So what do you need to do when you put them in equal groups? Select all the statements that are true. They cannot be divided into groups of 8. So can 8 go into 16? Yes, it can, so it's not that one. They can be split into 4 groups of 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So that's a good one. They can be split into groups of 6. No. 6 times nothing equals 16. Can't do it, so that's not it. They can be divided into equal groups. Yeah, you could do 16, you could do groups of 1 group of 16, 2 groups of 8, 4 groups of 4. So they can be divided. And now that you're finished with that, you're finished with your morning work. Thanks so much, and turn it in. Promise.